watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring the charming winter farmhouse decor, discovering inspiring ideas to add warmth and allure to different areas of your home post-holiday season. Let's craft cozy spaces that resonate with the essence of winter. Let's start in the garden area. Illuminate your garden paths with rustic lanterns or string lights to enhance the wintry appeal. Moving on to the front porch. Welcome guests with farmhouse charm by adorning your porch with pine garlands, wooden signs, and a festive wreath. Create a welcoming entryway ambiance with a bench featuring plaid cushions, a coat rack draped with knitted scarves, and a basket filled with firewood for that extra cozy touch. Now in the living room, layer warm-hued plush throws and pillows on your sofa, accompanied by a wooden crate filled with firewood for decorative flair. Transitioning to the foyer, set the farmhouse tone with a vintage console table, adorned by a winter-themed centerpiece, or a vase filled with evergreens. If you have a hallway or corridor, enhance the space with rustic wall sconces or a cozy seating nook featuring a bench and framed vintage winter-themed artworks. In the bedroom, transform it into a cozy retreat with a cable knit throw, a faux fur rug, and bedside candle lanterns for added warmth. For the guest room, dress the bed with a cable knit blanket, a basket of extra blankets, and a welcoming tray with mugs and a tea set. In the kitchen, display ceramic jars filled with cinnamon sticks or rosemary on open shelves to infuse rustic charm. In the dining area, create an inviting atmosphere with a burlap table runner and a centerpiece of pine cones, berries, and candles. Transitioning to the bathroom, add a touch of coziness with plaid or knitted towels, scented candles, or potpourri. For the laundry room, introduce wicker baskets for storage, a small wooden shelf for linens, and a charming wall decal or sign with a warm winter message. In the study or home office, enhance the space with a cozy throw over your chair, a small area rug, and accents that bring in farmhouse charm. For the outdoor dining area, set a rustic table with benches, add an evergreen garland table runner, and hang string lights or lanterns for ambience. Thank you for joining this journey through delightful winter farmhouse decor ideas for different spaces in your home. I hope these tips add warmth and comfort to your spaces. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips. Until next time, stay warm and embrace the charm of winter. Thank you for watching.